Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. And as it's Christmas season, we are going to show you some really creative and artistic pieces you can make for Christmas. So first one is we are using ribbons to make a Christmas tree, and yeah, it's actually done. And doesn't it look nice and realistic? Okay, now the second one in today's video is you can decorate your Christmas tree. Now we have made the Christmas tree, so now we have to decorate it. So now this is something you can decorate it with. Now the third one in today's video is just make this circle and the way shown. And now we all have gone to fairs and all have gone to these rides. This horse ride is actually used to be my favorite when I was a child. So you can also tell me if it was your favorite too. Now we already made a sunflower with the help of leaves, and now we are making the center part with a paper, and it's done. We are done with one sunflower, and then there's another one, and it looks good. It looks cute, like really. Now we are making some origami strawberries. Now these look really appealing to me because they look so real. I mean, if you can also try them, and yeah, just fold the paper as shown in the video, and you can also put some small gifts inside it so that it looks really amazing. So yeah, now the strawberry part is done. We'll make the upper part, and yeah, almost done. And you can also make these, and these look so good. Yeah, you can actually gift it to anybody and they'll feel good. Yeah, so we are done with the strawberry. Now next is we have cut the sponge the way shown in the video, and then wrap it around, and it looks a cute candy bar, which is actually not real. So yeah. Now the next one is just color the peanut shells as shown in the video, and we okay, now you must have got it. What is it? These are balloons, and yeah, we are done. Now we all have seen these, and we all wanted so many balloons, so yeah, it's done. And it's actually around the clouds, so this looks nice. Now this paper itself is so beautiful, don't you think? Okay, now just cut it the way shown in the video, and folding it again the way shown. And what do you think it's gonna be? Now it's a cute little, wow, it looks like moon with so many. It's a very good decorative item you can make. Now we are making stars, and wow, the end product was really nice. So you can also make it the way shown. And now the next part is, with the help of a red scrapbook paper, you need to make 4 of these, and now join them the way shown. And what do you think it's gonna be in end? Well, I know, I actually really know it, but you people should comment and tell me what you have thought about it. And done. Now it's an aeroplane, and yeah, done. Doesn't it look nice? Again, my favorite paper is back, and okay, so fold it the way shown in the video, and now now it's a 2-sided paper, so yeah, we can make it a double-sided thing. And wow, now look at the way it's folded, and yeah, almost done. And okay, now we are actually done. And look, this looks nice, pair of lips. Okay, now the next one in today's video is a fish. Now you can tell a fish by its posture only, and it's done, almost done. Now opening it, I think we are gonna open it, and yeah, it's done. So thank you for watching the